Hello students, today we are going to solve the sixth numerical of whole circle bearing. Question is given as convert the WCB which will be equals to 316 degree 20 minutes 15 seconds into quadrantal bearing. Now we have to convert this whole circle bearing into quadrantal bearing, and we know that our basic coordinate system is like this. That is north pole, that is south pole, that is east, and that is west. Now if we want to measure the whole circle bearing which will be equals to 316 degree 20 minutes 15 seconds, then it will lie somewhat here, and this angle is 316 degree 20 minutes and 15 seconds, because this is 0 degree, this is 90 degree, this is 180 degree, and this is 270 degree. Now for the measurement of quadrantal bearing of survey line OA, we have to see whether it is near from the north pole or it is near from the south pole. So from the diagram it is clearly seen that this survey line is near from the north pole. Now we have to determine this angle, which will be equals to 360 degree minus 316 degree 20 minutes and 15 seconds. So it will be equals to 43 degree 39 minutes and 45 seconds. So this angle will be equals to 43 degree 39 minutes and 45 seconds. So the quadrantal bearing of survey line OA will be equals to north 43 degree 39 minutes 45 seconds west. That is the quadrantal bearing of survey line OA. That is all about this numerical. Thank you very much, students.